Fix newsfeed is not available right now in Facebook. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, if you are facing the error problem, then you need to make sure that your Facebook application is updated. So simply head over to your Play Store, then here type in Facebook. If your application shows open, then it means it is updated. If it shows update, you have to tap on update and update your app. As you do so, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and here tap on apps. Again here on your top right hand side, you have to search for your application named Facebook. So type in Facebook and you will see Facebook, open it, scroll all the way below, tap on storage, then clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password, you might also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete the data. Once done, come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. As you do all this, restart your device and it will definitely fix your problem. So guys, that is all for today and thank you for watching.